Do you want to know how you can log out of your Otter AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Otter AI account. So, go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser. Now, log into your account. Go ahead and click on the profile, which you can see on the top left hand corner. You can see the logout option over here. Click on logout and then you can see that you are logged out of your account. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Let me log into my account now. So after I log into my account, what I need to do to log out of the account is click on the profile, which you can see on the left hand side. After clicking on this account, go ahead and click logout. This way, your account will be logged out. I hope this video about how you can log out of your Otter.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.